Okay, we're recording. Alright. Going for a spin on the old bike. Yep. Okay. So we're going out on the main road. I just push this to get it going, and we're taking this down the road to see how good it is. Oh, this big hill. It's pretty foggy out today. But yeah, okay. We should be able to go now. I just need to get onto the road. Oof. Chicken. You know, there's some bobs coming up. Oh my god. Oof, oof, ugh. I have a feeling like these lights that are on the bike are pretty good. I'm just wondering, like, do these things have limits on them or do they not? Wow, you turn away. Oh. Holy shit, it's cold, bro. It's cold, bro. Just wondering now, like, how's this thing like really go? My tire gonna be black by the end of this. I'm flipping out. It's honestly nuts. Like, the light on here, there has no actual need of being a light. It just works for the road, you know? If it ain't. We're going out on the road. Be careful. Look both ways. Come on. Okay. We're on. Holy moly, there's a swamp right there. I think I hear a car coming. I do. Indeed, a truck did just come past. Oh my god, my bike. Staying around. Should I keep going? Yeah. I'm just gonna keep going this way. Why not? Why not? Shout out to the homie Spencer. He is the homie. You've probably seen him in some of my videos. He's not actually that bad. Hey, what's this? It's like a fenced off area. That is the fence off. So yeah. Cars just went past there. Now I'm fucking scared to keep going. Who gives a fuck? Oh my god. Ooh. Stanky lanky. Oh my god. I hear a car coming. I'm fucked. I am fucked. Nearly back onto my street. Just gotta keep riding. See these tires, like, I swapped the front one for a little one because my other front one has a leak in it. So the air leaks out. It's pretty sad, to be honest, because it's a good tire. So is this one, no offense. But yeah. I'm gonna turn in before this car gets me. Oosh. Oosh. Alright. And they never see me coming, don't they? I'm just able to trying to drive a manual. It's probably some of the hardest shit you can do. Oh, fucking bouncy hole. What? Oh my god. Okay, I'm still going down this road. But yeah, maybe I can just do this, because this is not the ideal thing to be doing. Yeah. Honestly, I really think. Look at the front tire, can be the big tail one, and them smaller than that one. Quite a lot actually. But yeah, see, hang on, hook it back home real quick. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Another thing. Come on, bike. Come on. That's where I do my skiddies. Should I let it go? I'm gonna be alright. Oh. These rocks are gnarly. And we have officially made it. Just like honestly, pretty honestly. That chainsaw is coming loose. Yeah, that ain't good. Yeah. You got the good old lights. Blink, boy, blink. Right. And they motherfucking good. Yeah. Honestly, my tires bold. Look at this baldy, yeah, baldy. Never have to bump up that tire, huh? Not that one. Front one on that one I have to. It's a bit bad. Fucking lanes, my boys. Oh. Matter of fact, this is cool. I hear a V8 right behind me. I don't know what that is. Diesel V8. So man, that's sick. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been pretty good to, make a video. A long form after a while. My friend said make a long form, so I made a long form today. It's honestly an OG cracker. And yeah, this bike still runs. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna take this off. Not like it does anything. I've got the cool headlights now. Yeah. Well, I guess I can turn them off. Yo, I don't want you blinking, honey. No. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye bye. No.